Franklin County, if you're watching this, I think that was the second round of alerts, so, and I think this failed the first round of alerts, so Franklin County, if you're watching this, you have to fix this siren on Broad, because this is pretty bad. This is very bad. This is very bad. I meant to say. This is just very bad, if you ask me. There's the actual siren up there. And we've got the control boxes and everything. What siren number is this? I don't know. God only knows what siren number this is. But you have to fix this siren because this just failed first round of alert. This is by far the biggest fail in sirens I've ever seen in a long time. Well, not the biggest fail, but this is by far a big fail in sirens I've ever seen. Franklin County, if you're watching this, you have to fix this siren at Advanced Auto Parts on Maple Street. Well, actually, this building's actually on Broad Street, so you have to fix the siren on Broad Street because Broad Street is over there. So. Still though, you have to fix this siren because that fail is pretty bad. That was supposed to be 2 rounds of alert, not 1. There's the control boxes and everything. No idea what siren number this is. This siren seriously needs fixing. Up there is the dispatch that remotely sets it off. Or like alert or voice. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and stop. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and conclude the video. I'm already like 8 minutes in. 88 Alarms 2009 signing off.